All right, so one more try. Sorry if you hear my son in the background. So basically, two clarifications I need to make on the Khan Academy video. First one is when he's doing the different possibility trees, there could be possibilities of something overlapping. So, for instance, when I pick 3 first, or if I'm looking for the sum of two of these added together, then some of them are going to overlap. So if I do 3, if I get 3 first and I do the tree, I could pick 5, 6, or 7. And if I pick 4, I could pick 5, 6, or 7. And then if I pick 5, again 5, 6, or 7. And then if I add these together, that possibility is actually 8. That one's 9. That one's 10. This one's 9. This one's 10. This one's 11. This one's 10, 11, and 12. So normally you can actually even just multiply and you would get, oh yeah, 3 times 3 is 9. I got 9 possibilities. But here, look at this. I've got 9 and 10 overlapping. I've got 10 and 11 overlapping. So really what's happening is I'm going to circle every time I see a unique solution to see how many different possibilities are. So for instance, I know that's the first time 8 showed up. Here's the first time 9 showed up. The first time 10 showed up. I already got 9. I already got 10. First time 11 showed up. 10 and 11 I already saw. First time 12 showed up. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possibilities. So sometimes there's a limitation in how many possibilities there are. All right. Now, the other clarification. When he's talking about the probability of A such that B, really what you have to do this is once you've done A, you have to adjust B based on what happened in A. So he used the marble in the bag example. It's a very famous example. So yeah, I don't know, 3 reds, 2 yellows, whatever. And he said, like, if you if you pick a yellow first, and then maybe red. Maybe you want to pick a red second, or the way that it works is, what's the chance of picking this one given you already picked this one? So if I already picked a red, what's the chance that I picked a yellow? Okay, so then if I picked a red already, I have to remove that red from the sample space. So I have to adjust the sample space. So that makes it 4 total because one of the reds is now taken away. 4 total, and then I have 2 reds left. So the sample space and everything's adjusted. That's what this is trying to say. Like, what are the chances that I'm going to get a yellow now if I already got a red? And the way to deal with it is, again, to say, how did my sample space change? How did this change based on this? Based on this event that already happened? All right. So I hope that's helpful. You can definitely ask questions for any clarification.